Yo, what's up everyone? QFC here, and I'm here with the new fan. This is my little brother's Craftmade American Tradition. It's installed in his room. Oiled bronze, light kit. Really good looking fan overall. 188 by 20 millimeter motor, I believe. Yeah. 52 inches, nice blades. Nice shades. 16-degree blade pitch. Nice. Medium speed. Really cool. Blows a lot of air. Works really nice. I like it. Nice. 6-inch down rod. I just installed this in my brother's room today. Actually under an hour, really. Let's go to high speed. Like it. Some people say this looks like a Harbor Breeze Springfield. Yo, I kind of see it. Wait, nah, never mind. Well, I only see it because of the vents. But yeah, it's pretty fast. Blows like a ton of air. Yeah, my brother's probably barely gonna use this. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, Kuvante? I know you did not just call me a nigger. I can say that because I'm black. I'm black. Yeah, so don't try to cancel me because y'all retarded if y'all do. I can say that too because I got ADHD. Damn. Off.
Hope you guys liked it.